All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm pretty excited about this one coming up, and I hope you guys will be too. So I'm back here with the 2020 Toyota Supra. Now, last time you guys saw this car on the channel, it ran up against the Tesla Model S Plaid. And at the end of that video, I said we got to bring them a bigger gun to compete with. And so I am back here with the built BMW M4 on the single turbo. Now, just a little recap of what's done to this Supra. He is a stock engine with a Precision 6870 turbo, running with port injection, intake manifold, and open downpipes, running on E85. Now, the owner has told me this car makes right at 800 wheel horsepower, and it has lost a little bit of weight. He's running on skinnies and a nice drag pack. And he's running on Thompson ET Street R tires, and these are 305 45/17s. And he is equipped with a pure Stage 2 built transmission. And now, just a little recap what's done to this built M4. It's a fully built 3.0 engine with the XR 1569S turbo. This is a bigger turbo than the 6870, I believe. Actually, I'm pretty sure it is. With full supporting mods, with port injection and meth injection, but the meth injection is only used for cooling. Now, this is a full weight car, and actually the owner told me it's actually a little bit heavier than OEM weight. He's on upgraded clutches. And as for tires, he's running on Thompson ET Street R's as well. And these are 305 45/17s. Now, this is a pretty serious matchup. We got a S55 versus B58. I know there's a lot of tension with these two platforms, so I'm pretty excited about this match. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm back here in the M4, and no race box for you guys. Sorry. I'm just waiting on for the Supra to catch up. So we're gonna be doing a 60 roll. This should be exciting. Guys, round two, we're gonna do that 60 roll one more time. We in the BMW are gonna be trying to brake boost a little bit harder. What I mean by we, I mean the driver of the M4, that is. But that Supra really gets out really hard. You let me know when you're ready to count. tell you how fast that Supra is. That thing gets out hard. I gotta give it to it, man. That B58's moving amazing for a stock engine. Well, guys, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.